Don't mind me. I'm just getting ready for the flood. I mean, we are talking about floodlights. Hi there. Thank you for tuning into another CTAC Studios video. I'm Patrick Rowe with CTAC Lighting Controls, and today I'm going to show you a floodlight. Wait a minute. Before you tune out thinking this is just a boring old floodlight, this isn't your normal run-of-the-mill floodlight. It's packed with versatile features that makes it super easy to use in a wide variety of ways. And it's called the VF Floodlight by ILP. I've been in the industry for almost 7 years now. During this time, working with distributors and contractors, they came across what seems to be a common problem. Contractors get awarded a job, they have to supply several different kinds of fixtures to meet the project needs. This process takes a ton of time that they could be spending in the field. The VF Flood takes the majority of the guesswork out of the equation with its field selectable color temperatures and field selectable lumen output. Distributors also love this product because this one fixture replaces up to 9 SKUs, freeing up a large amount of space on their shelves. Now let's get into it. The VF series offers 5 different sizes ranging from 2,000 lumens all the way up to 40,000 lumens, getting up to 159 lumens per watt, qualifying for DLC premium to allow for utility rebates. Its ultra slim and versatile form factor is ideal for wall washing, grazing, signage, area lighting, and of course, general flood lighting applications. It discreetly blends into site surroundings while providing industry-leading performance, making it a clear choice for budget-friendly flood lighting. Now for instance, let's take a look at the VFC2L, which I have right here. This fixture provides up to 2,000 lumens, which you can field adjust to 90, 80, or even 70% right on the back here. That gives you a range of about 1,400 to 2,000 lumens, which gives you more control on site. The field selectable CCT gives you an option to select 3,000, 4,000, or even 5,000 right on the back of the fixture. It also has 4 selectable lumen outputs, which allows every unit to dim down to 70%. ILP also gives you a variety of mounting options, such as a fully adjustable trunnion mount, as you see here, or an adjustable slip fitter to mount to any vertical or horizontal 10 and 2-inch pipe. It also has an adjustable pole mounting bracket. This is great for shipyards or trailer yards, parking lots, or pedestrian walkways. Its narrow or wide optics allows this one fixture to be used in so many ways. If that wasn't enough, it's IP66 for high water jets, making it great for ground applications. Let's talk controls. The VS series provides a standard integral embedded IP66 rated electronic photocell. That's right, a standard photocell, right here on the top of the fixture. And that's providing dusk to dawn control with an optional override switch to bypass the photocell. This allows you to capture energy savings right out of the box. If you need more control than dusk to dawn, there's an optional factory installed 3-pin or 7-pin control receptacle that you can mount right here on the back of the fixture for things like time schedules and grouping entire lots of fixtures together. Did I mention what VS stands for? It stands for Value Series. All these great features usually come with a pretty hefty price tag. But not only will this fixture work within even the tightest of budgets, it also has a standard 5-year warranty with an option for 10 years. So the next time you got a job that requires a bunch of different outdoor lighting applications, save yourself some time or space on your shelves and just order the VS Flood by ILP. If you'd like to see a sample or have additional questions, simply reach out to your CTAC salesperson and we'll be happy to take care of you. Thanks everyone.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.